I'm a
Mhm.
huge Rohit fan, but it makes me sad to watch him like this. I don't know why he's playing any cricket now. Should retire before becoming Thala. भाई अभी तक तो थला खेल रहा है तो तुम रोहित की बात कर रहे
हाँ,
हो.
नहीं, and we should stop. मतलब now there is a proper thing. वो बैटमैन वाला है ना कि you either retire a hero or play long enough to become a Dhoni.
ये
That is the
कितना
main.
क्रिटिकल क्वेश्चन है. Who has had a worse IPL, धोनी और रोहित?
I will tell you, Ambati Raidu. So much so that he had to come up with a tweet saying, "ये paid log. I love Thala before. I love Thala now. I love Thala But actually, Rohit has had a worse IPL. Dhoni has not had a bad IPL as a player,
Yeah,
but but he has a mediocre IPL. It's not a bad IPL. It's a mediocre IPL. But there were two games where Dhoni could have actually tried to win, and he showed absolutely zero intent. So Dhoni
I
has
know.
two bad games, two decent games. So it's a mediocre IPL. But with the power struggle happening in CSK, I would call it a disaster non-playing IPL. So if CSK actually wants to really be successful, they should on it. Here is the problem with Indian cricket. Not everyone is a Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar retired from the IPL in 2013 in Mumbai when after Mumbai won one trophy. He knew, and he didn't even big a big pomp and galore. Harsha was interviewing, how does he feel, and he said, "I'm done," and he just quit the IPL. Right, and then he joined straight away as a mentor and was helping them, cultivate talent and this and that, and still remained the face. Not every player is going to do that. They will want to win more. Sachin didn't care about the IPL. उसको एक आईपीएल जिताना था अपनी टीम को फॉर वट एवर मनी एंड स्टफ देट गिव. एक आईपीएल जिता के ही वाज डन. Unfortunately, franchises will have to step up and have the tough calls with players that buy, if you want to get the sort of brand deals and stuff, we'll give you the brand deals. तुम स्टेडियम पे आके दो बार ऐसे ऐसे हाई करो, बीच में जो 15 मिनट का प्ले है उसमें धोनी को बोलो दो तीन हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट्स क्राउड में मार दे, क्राउड के साथ गेम्स खेले थोड़ा, and that's how the revenue will come to CSK. But if they are
Yeah.
serious about developing a franchise, Dhoni should be out of the dressing room
They
because the
add him in
culture
the
is screwed up.
coaching coterie or something
No,
like
no, no,
that.
no, no,
Yeah,
no, no, no,
mentor.
no, 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 no. He's not a Shane Warne. भाई धोनी एक बार इंडियन टीम का मेंटोर रह चुका है इन T20 वर्ल्ड कप. इंडिया पहले 2 हफ्ते में एलिमिनेट हो गई थी.
हाँ, ये सुन लो.
Yeah, just before we start, unfortunately, Ruturaj Gaikwad is going to be ruled out of the tournament. He got hit in Guwahati. He's been operating with an amount of pain. We got an X-ray, which was inconclusive, and we had an MRI, which revealed a fracture in his elbow, in the radial neck. So we're disappointed and feel for him. We appreciate the efforts that he's gone to in terms of trying to play, but unfortunately, he'd be out of the tournament from now. We have an uncapped player, MS Dhoni, who will take over as captain for the remainder of the IPL.
Okay, this is ridiculous. I have no other word for this. Ridiculous, ladies and gentlemen. I love MS Dhoni. Why is he playing? Why is he the captain? Why isn't he retiring? What is wrong with CSK? Is the money generated by MS so much that they don't care if they win or lose? Is that the issue now?
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me?
Or yes.
So apparently mic was
Yes.
muted. That's why I was like, I didn't know. नहीं, मैं ये बोल रहा था भाई कि there is a bigger problem here, right? The problem here is कि आप MS धोनी चलो खेल रहा है because he's big player, big money draw, ticket, ये वो सब बिक रहा है. Okay, good. But what is the future of your franchise? What are you going to take a franchise? Second, if Ruturaj Gaikwad was injured since Guwahati, why did they not say it? Right? Is this like an after decision and so? Because when was that match they played in Guwahati? March 30th. So are they telling that he was nursing a fracture on his arm for 10 days and still leading the team? So it completely doesn't make sense. I know why they went from Ruturaj to Dhoni, because why put someone else under the sort of किसी और से ये प्रॉब्लम क्यों उनके सर पे क्यों डालना, some newcomer and stuff. But the issue is CSK has become this disaster of a franchise where essentially everybody is there because they meant something to the franchise 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 6 years ago, and everyone's still there. There's no turnover, no change, nothing. And commentators are so shit scared of criticizing Dhoni that no one dare say, what the hell is he doing? Like, is he running the team or is he not running the team? This pretty much shows that he was running the team. I have no issues if Dhoni was actually just playing as an uncapped player with zero influence on the team. But it clearly seems he's running the team. And then you have Ambati Raidu and saying, Thala talwar leke aa gaya, Thala back pe malam laga raha hai, Thala baraf laga raha hai. Ye kya bakwas hai yaar? Matlab, you've reduced yourself to, if for people who watch soccer, there was a time when David Beckham went to play Major League Soccer and stuff because it was deemed that he was not the same fitness level as probably an English Premier League or La Liga or someone would think. So everyone would come to America where soccer is not the first sport and come for a bit of fun. Well, Dhoni is in that phase. So he better find some Masters 11 or something to play. Except all he's doing is we are told that he's not fit enough to play for more than a few balls, but he's fit enough to play wickets, keep wickets. I a lot of what Stephen Fleming is saying just doesn't make any sense.
Well, I think this sums up my emotions.
अच्छा, जॉस डी 92 कह रहे हैं अगर कमेंटेटर्स की सांस अटक जाए तो क्या करना चाहिए? माही भाई को बोल दो इंच पीछे हो जाए.
The legend. एक है जॉस बटलर, दूसरा है जॉस D92. मतलब
भाई क्या आदमी है यार.
No, there is a better one. There is a better one.
He says, sir, better one दिखा रहा हूँ मैं. ये क्या आदमी है?
वो गार्ड वाला दिखा रहा है.
ये देखिए ये वाला ये अब क्या बोल रहे हैं
भाई. खेल लियो आज. Another place meet MSD. वो कैप उतार के मिलते हैं, हिंदी कमेंटेटर्स पजामा उतार के. क्या बोल रहे हैं यार आप इनसे? पजामा उतार के मिलते हैं. क्या है यार ये? क्या बकवास हो गया आप लोग?
पजामा उतार के.
No, there is a better one. He says, अगर धोनी भाई अपनी गार्ड पे GUARD गार्ड पे जहर लगा के चले जाएंगे तो सारी हिंदी कमेंटेटर्स मर जाएंगे. There is another clip. अगर किसी के पास वो क्लिप है लिंक पे कहीं ट्विटर पे, प्लीज सेंड इट टू अस इन द लाइव चैट. वी विल डिस्प्ले इट, विल प्ले इट फॉर द होल स्ट्रीम.
वो जॉस D92 को अभी बहुत गंदा कंपटीशन मिल रहा है अभी भाई. ये देख बॉस, अभी बहुत मामला गर्म हो गया. ये देखा कि नहीं तूने?
करण पावला यूएस से बोल रहे हैं, धोनी सर कितना डीप ले जा सकते हैं? अंबती राइडू से बेटर कोई नहीं. यार क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं यार आप. हद हो गई आपके. आगे करिए यार इसको. यार आप लोग भी क्या कर रहे हैं भाई?
छला को ठोक डाला. बाप रे बाप.
ताला पर रीजन.
नहीं, but okay. So on a serious note, हम लोग ने एक चीज बोली थी लास्ट पॉडकास्ट में कि, और एटलीस्ट I was convinced that Mumbai and Chennai Super Kings have got this auction wrong and they are going to struggle in this IPL, and I cautioned कि SRH is going to have a sophomore slump. तब सारे लोग चैट पे टूट पड़े थे कि इनको तो कुछ नहीं पता, ये SRH तो एक बार 286 मार दिया. The problem is Rajasthan Royals did not have Jofra Archer in his peak form on that first game. So SRH was able to dominate. Since then, every new bowler has gotten at least one wicket in the power play against Sunrisers Hyderabad. और एक बार हेड और अभिषेक में से एक आउट होता है तो इनका एक ही है, बस आके ठोको. मतलब देखो ही मत, ठोको. एंड 300 मारने वाले थे, अब तो दो मैच के मिला के मुश्किल से 300-310 बन रहे हैं. So it is just it's just bad. Can I tell you one thing as a Mumbai fan, which you'll be very happy with? I think Mumbai has looked the better of the 1 and 4 teams compared to Chennai and Hyderabad.
नहीं नहीं,
Chennai-
डेफिनेटली यार, मुंबई हैज जस्ट बीन वो थोड़ा सा लास्ट मोमेंट पे दे
Correct.
आर लैकिंग दैट बिट.
So I troll my Mumbai Indians fellow brothers and fans and stuff. But actually, the only time Mumbai really looked out of sorts was probably two games. Ek to against that Chennai Super Kings game, the first game, where there was a little bit of a fight, but everyone knew that Chennai was going to win. And then that game against Gujarat Titans, where they just the first two games basically, where they were looking completely out of sorts. Both the others, LSG game and RCB games, there were times when Mumbai had a chance to actually win the game, but they won by 12 runs. What is surprising to me, and that is some place something I highlighted here, is Mumbai did emotional buys with Trent Bolt and not getting a single senior spinner. Right. So Mitch Santner has not been very good, and Trent Bolt has
That's the problem, yaar.
absolutely
Mitch
not been very
not
good.
firing. See, for Mumbai, the problem has been Mitch not firing. Hardik has been extraordinary. Can I just say?
He's
Hardik
the reason.
Pandya has
He's the reason why
extraordinary.
Mumbai has gone so close. एक बार वो 5 wicket ले गया. He played that one vintage knock. So
भाई क्या
yeah,
खेला लास्ट मैच में, भाई क्या खेला लड़का लास्ट मैच में. मतलब
हाँ.
he got us this close. It was brilliant.
Because, but again, the other same thing, right? Tim David ko, you guys let him go to Bangalore, and there is no power finisher after Hardik. So these are the three things I said in the beginning. The problem again is that the analysis that comes in, right? I love Harsha Bhogle, पर मैं उसको 5 साल से सुन रहा हूँ. वो 5 साल से मुंबई को 2 thumbs up दे रहा है. Oh, look at the pedigree, look at the auction, right? वो he was associated with Mumbai Indians, so I don't think he can criticize Mumbai Indians, right? He doesn't get called out as a fan, but he's a fan. So a lot of people actually took analysis like his, or a lot of people close to the Mumbai establishment, and said कि भाई ये साल तो बच गए. But the problem is Mitch Santner and Trent Bolt both were bad boys, and they were emotional buys by the establishment, because Trent Bolt again, and you know what has happened is, now correct me if I'm wrong, Mumbai Indians had an aura about them in the first 12 years, 13 years, right? Then this league started happening, your Major League Cricket, South Africa League, और हर एक में MI की टीम है. So now you have MI NY, MI New York, sorry, MI NY, फिर MI Joburg या Cape Town, MI Cape Town, I think ऐसा कुछ है South Africa में. Everyone wears the same jersey. Okay, where is that little bit of a swagger that used to be associated with the Mumbai Indians franchise? You've diluted what the
Mumbai
franchise
has two
means.
problems, Adit. In my
Yeah.
opinion, Mumbai has two problems. Problem
Yeah.
number one, Rohit
Hmm.
is just not firing.
Oh,
We have
so
to do something
big
about
time.
that. Okay.
Yes.
He's
Yes.
just not firing.
Not just Rohit. Rohit तो है ही, पूरा top order.
पूरा. I can still नहीं देख, Sky on and off ठीक है, Sky manage कर लेंगे.
No, but Sky is number 4 ना. Sky is not, doesn't come at number 3 every
हाँ.
time. So I
रोहित
don't
का
consider
fire
it.
करना
Yeah.
बहुत जरूरी है, in my opinion. And I feel Trent Bolt has to improve 10 to 15%, and I think Mumbai will manage things. The real gaping problem is the spinner. We just don't have a quality spinner. People
Correct.
don't realize. अभी लोग हंसते थे. Piyush Chawla was brilliant for Mumbai.
Yes.
Piyush Chawla used to do that middle overs job for Mumbai, consistently take wickets all the time for Mumbai. वो हो नहीं रहा है यार टीम के साथ. It's a giant.
Yeah.
But I still feel Mumbai is not as hopeless.
No, it's not
what
as
this
Chennai.
comment- No, Chennai, ये comment है S Pandey का. CSK is the INC of IPL with Dhoni as Mrs. Gandhi and Rutu as MMS.
Correct.
Dhoni is an one-day legend but an overrated T20 batsman. Can't remember even a single instance where he's won a T20 for India with his batting. Look, I don't know about all of that, but I just don't understand, if you're not fit enough to play a 40-over game, what the hell are you playing there? I just don't see the tactical value of MS Dhoni to be retained in such a way. Adit, it is becoming embarrassing now. Like,
It is.
what are we doing?
No, not just that, and this nonsense. By the way, did you know of this concept called Thala Darisanam? That CSK ka official social media field is only, basically it's like darshan of Thala.
Yeah, it's
and
just
and
I don't like all this, and I
people
just
hold.
find
I
it very
mean, matlab,
nauseating.
oh god! But if you want to be a franchise league, be a serious franchise league,
It's just
which is why I said that when Hardik Pandya switched from Gujarat to Mumbai, and oh, they're like people in Ahmedabad booed him. Of course they'll boo him, man. He switched franchises. That doesn't mean they hate him, but I
no,
would
he's a
expect
great
this.
keeper. Dhoni still is a great keeper, but yeah, if he
No,
can't bat after keeping, or he can't keep after batting, that's a
no,
serious problem. You're playing with 10 players then.
Dhoni is a great keeper to spinners and his stumpings. There have been issues with him conceding byes and runs behind the wickets. See, ये problem पता है क्या है? People only watch those clips where it says 0.16 seconds में stumps निकाल दिया या 0.12 seconds में ये कर दिया. They should actually look at the other clips also from the CSK games when balls are let go. Matlab, he doesn't let go because I think his reflexes are not the same. Matlab,
Yeah,
he
he's
was
43.
phenomenal. He's
I mean,
43.
bhai, he's 43. What do you expect? He can't play.
Yeah,
It's a young man's game. For fuck's sake. It's
correct.
T20 cricket.
Correct. And the funny thing is, if you talk to people from Chennai, right, a lot of these newly minted CSK fans, half of them are not from Chennai or Tamil Nadu. They are, a lot of people are Dhoni fans who are also CSK fans, will probably change. Man, people from Tamil Nadu are so pissed. I have friends who are, from Chennai, from Tamil Nadu, and they're like, man, we take pride in how we watch our cricket. We don't go to the stadium and go like ballistic saying thala 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 and go crazy. So this is like, it's basically making a mockery of it's a fantastic fan base in the state of Tamil Nadu, in the city of
Yeah, they
Chennai.
deserve better.
Yeah, they deserve
CSK
better.
fan base deserves better.
मतलब अब तो पता है क्या होता है, वो साउथ इंडियन मूवीज नहीं था, पावर स्टार, सुपरस्टार, मेगा स्टार, पॉलिस, ऐसे सुपरस्टार धोनी और उसके 10 चंपू, ऐसा, that's how they.
It's nauseating.
Also I have a question, right? The only smart buy, and I was mad at Gujarat for letting him go, but I guess why they let him go. They needed money to buy Joss Butler, so I have they let Noor Ahmed go. Noor Ahmed was a brilliant buy by CSK, and by far he has been their best player this season. You chat can correct me if I'm wrong, but I've seen most of their games. Noor was exceptional. He was good, but Ashwin has not been effective at all. At all. And the gall with which how commentators were spinning, oh, Dhoni is going to captain CSK. Now Ashwin will be a different bowler in the power play. Yeah, are you really? I love Ashwin, but are you really telling me Ruturaj was captaining Ashwin and telling him how to bowl in the power play? It was all Dhoni and Ashwin. So don't do this bullshit that anything bad that happened before, it was Ruturaj's fault, and anything good that might happen now is all Dhoni's credit. Matlab, this was again with CSK. There are two power centers. With Mumbai, there is only one power center now. There were two power centers in Mumbai with Rohit Sharma and what you may call Hardik Pandya. Obviously, the name just popped. I had a Rohit Sharma moment. Arey wo, arey wo, arey wo. But the issue with Rohit Sharma is, should Mumbai have let him go this time? As a Mumbai fan, Kushal, let me ask you: 16 crores they spent to retain Rohit Sharma. Should they have let him go?
No, they should not have retained him. I believe it's time to bring Ishan Kishan back, and Rohit has to be let go, boss. Yeah, he's not performing. रोहित से अच्छा तो आप अजिंक्य को लाओ. अजिंक्य को लाओ यार, back to Mumbai. Rane is doing very well.
Yeah,
काय
I'll
का
tell you.
यार, मुंबई should be concerned about winning. ये सब क्या है, ये सब मेरे को तो समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है.
I'll tell you something. The issue with Rohit Sharma seems to be not just mental blocks or whatever. The way he's getting out, new ball bowlers, and the amount of times he's gotten out bowled in the last few times has scared the shit out of me. So I don't know. It almost might be better for Rohit to go to another franchise and try his luck out there. Knowing CSK, you never know.
भाई
Rohit
एक
might-
चीज तो क्लियर हो गई है. When it comes to comparison between Rohit and Virat is miles ahead even now as a
अरे,
batsman,
वो तो-
even in white ball cricket. Why miles ahead? जो बोलना है विराट के बारे में बोलो, 5th stump, 6th stump, 7th stump. भाई वो
नहीं,
लड़का
वो तो-
अभी भी जबरदस्त खेल रहा है
भाई,
IPL में.
and no, and I'm going to talk about Virat. Like, we'll talk about teams by teams and stuff. So I'm going to talk about the top half of the teams in the end. But I am actually amazed by how well Rajat Patidar has captained. And by the
Yeah,
way,
yeah.
CSK fans, that's how you captain when a star player is there. Virat is a part of the team. He's a cog of the team. Rajat Patidar. That is how Rutu should have captained. But CSK, a franchise,
Can
is
I
not a
just
team.
give a shout out? I probably saw. See, this is why KL Rahul cannot be dropped. कल जो उसने innings खेली है, that was pure magic.
It was exceptional. Exceptional.
Dude,
मतलब मैं
he did not make one slog. उसके सारे cricketing shots थे. The way he played. This, you know, when KL Rahul plays like this, you go like, my goodness, he's so good.
no, absolutely. But you know, KL Rahul, मतलब दामाद जी जब खेलते हैं तब दिल ऐसे, मतलब he has the game that can warm your heart, right? But he has the ability to annoy you on the biggest of occasions by playing the dumbest of shots. But he's exceptional when he looks good. He was on fire. I mean, that to me, that I rank at par with Shreyas Iyer's innings against Gujarat in the first game. I think both had 97s or something, and much higher than the 100 we've seen by Ishan Kishan and stuff, because the situation, it was just exceptional knock, both of them. But yeah, so let's talk a little bit about Sunrisers Hyderabad, right? Because they are the last team, so we have to start from the last and then go up top.
देख Sunrisers Hyderabad के पहले है ना, I think I want to show a couple of memes. ये वाला.
सेठ जी मुझसे रन नहीं बन रहे तो दिक्कत क्या है? हमारी टीम तो अच्छा खेल रही है ना. आप चाहे मुझे केएल राहुल की तरह डांट लो, लेकिन 27 करोड़ की बात मत करो.
बहुत अच्छे पंत.
तो फिर मेरे 27 तलोन था क्या? जी मैं रन बनाऊंगा, अगले मैच में रन बनाऊंगा. 40 रन, बस 40 रन. 40 रन, वो भी 3 ओवर में. अरे बाबा, ये 3 ओवर में 40 रन कैसे बनेगा रे बाबा? कम से कम इसको 20 ओवर तो खेलने देना बाबा. भाई बना लेंगे. ठीक है सेठ जी, 3 ओवर में 40 रन मैं बनाऊंगा. लूटता है कि तुम 3 ओवर में 40 रन बना. अच्छा भाई का टाइम खराब चल रहा है. 40 क्या 50 बनाने का टाइम अच्छा है. मैं हवन कराने.
एक और है. ये जो आलित लाल. अरे मगर ये जो हो रहा है ना इस समय, ये बेस्ट है. मगर ये मेरा फेवरेट है. मैं इतना हंस रहा हूँ ना आजकल. IPL memes are just next level भाई. तालित लाल, ये देख.
35 लाख का तो हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट है, तो 36 लाख का घाटा कैसे हो गया?
वो देखिए, हमने 35 लाख लोगों को कर्जे पे दिया. उस 35 लाख को वसूल करने के लिए 1 लाख रुपया और लग गया.
But